After the US gave the green light, Ukraine hammered Belgorod last night using American Atacms missiles. In total, 40 explosions were reported in Belgorod, according to Russian agency TASS. Ukrainian forces mounted a large-scale missile attack just across the border from Kharkiv. And this comes roughly 24 hours after the US approved the use of US-supplied weapons against Russian targets in the area. Let's continue with a parody. Belgorod won the all-Russian competition from the Ministry of Emergency Situations. My city is without danger. This was reported in the official channel of the Belgorod mayor's office between two missile warnings. And you know the Russian motto. Vovchansk in 3 days. 22 days later. Ukraine defeated most of the Russian ground assault on the town, but it has no means nor permission to defend against the Russian air assault in the area. The Ukrainian sources now say that Ukraine stabilizes Kharkiv front after brutal Russian offensive, and they are adding, "We took out so many of them." The modified FPV drone of the Ukrainian armed forces for high flights impresses the Russian drone Zala. Dogfight. Russia actively hires Africans not only in the ranks of its army. African female students are actively involved in the assembly of Shahed drones in the city of Yelabuga in Tatarstan. In the special economic zone called Alabuga, there is a plant for the mass assembly of Iranian drones. In Russia, it is called Geranium-2. The girls are brought mainly from Uganda, where they are selected on the basis of a competition, showing good results in studying natural sciences in high school. They are paid $1,000 per month, which is 3 times higher than the average salary in the country, free flights and accommodation, a university diploma. As a rule, they are not told that they will be assembling drones, but are offered work and study in the high-tech sector. Before this, Russian students were involved in the assembly of drones. According to journalists, more than 1,000 girls from Uganda have already found work at the plant in this way. The girls study at the Alabuga Polytechnic College and work in parallel with their studies. At the same time, the students complain that the work is exhausting. They go on shifts for several days in a row. This plant also became famous after a Ukrainian drone struck it on April 2, 2024. Then up to 16 people were injured, and the drone set a record at that time, flying 1,300 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. Russia actively exploits Africans, taking advantage of the low economic indicators in the region and luring people into the army or to assemble drones, promising huge amounts of money by the standards of the region. Rare destruction of a Ukrainian P-18ML long-range VHF surveillance radar near the settlement of Kurulka, Kharkiv Oblast. It was a very precise strike, claimed to have been Kate-35, X-35, subsonic anti-ship cruise missile, only the second confirmed loss of such. Russian warship, go fuck yourself. 19 Ukrainian soldiers who were captured on the Snake Island on the first day of the invasion, February 24, 2022, returned home today as part of a prisoner exchange after 828 days in Russian captivity. 10 heroes from Azovstal also returned home. Good news. Ukrainian drones destroy Russian T-80 tank. Video is published by Russian Telegram Z channels. This is what it looks like almost every day now at the border between Belarus and Poland. Belarus and Russia fly in people from the Middle East and Africa who want to go to Germany, Sweden, and who are prepared to use violence.
Tutaj, dawaj bliżej, dawaj! Bliżej podejdź! Napierdalaj! Wypierdalaj stąd, kurwa, ty! Wypierdalaj! Wypierdalaj!
June 1st, Day for Protection of Children. On February 24th, 2022, Russia stole birthdays, school memories, and time with friends from millions of our children. They've lost homes, schools, and playgrounds. Russia has stolen health from some of our children. Some of them killed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.